Okay, here we are. We're going to clear a path and clear an area for the Inipi, Temazcal. So I just walked down here. I'm going to clear out some of these branches and things like that, make a better path to get over there, and then after that we're gonna clear out some of the plants and things like that to make the Inipi ceremonial space over there. So pretty exciting. We're gonna get it cleared out here, and then hopefully next week build the sweat lodge. So we're super excited, and it's a beautiful day. It's, what is it, March 7th, 8th? And yeah, it's like in the 70s here. It's absolutely beautiful, nice and sunny, and it's just great to be out here. We haven't been out here for like 5 weeks. Can't believe it's been that long. I had my 2-week training in California, and then we got back and we've been busy for a couple weeks. So yeah, it's just nice to get out here and disconnect and connect with nature. It just feels good. So I'll take you over there in just a little bit. Okay, so we already had a little path that we made over here for this part. Look at these beautiful flowers. Beautiful, beautiful purple flowers. Okay. So there's the Cleveland sage right there. So take this path over here. A little steep. Probably have to like make some stairs. And then here's the dry creek bed right here. This runs through the whole property. So yeah, I just cleared a path. We have this oak tree right here. Not too old, you know, 20 something, maybe 30 years old. So I just cleared a path to get over here. And then we're gonna build the Inipi probably somewhere in this area, because it's pretty flat. We got the beautiful oak tree right there. I just want to do like a before video of how it is. So yeah, we're gonna clear it up, make some paths, and then next week build the Inipi and sweat in it. So I'm excited. I haven't sweat in a really long time. So just sharing a little piece of paradise. And Nell, Sasha, and the dogs went for a hike. I think they went down in the valley where the oaks are over there. So I'm over here clearing out so that we can build a beautiful ceremony space that will house many, many prayers that will go out in all directions. So yeah, it's beautiful working with the land. Just really happy to be out here. Like I said, it's been a while. We've been in between lots of different worlds. So over in the States, in California, we've been in our little town that's growing where we live right now, and then we come out here in the hills and it's just us. No internet, nothing. So yeah. I'll update you on the progress. Okay, we're here working outside. This is some of the progress where we're gonna put the Inipi, Temazcal sweat lodge, depending on where you're from. And we are out here working in the sun. It's, I don't know, 70 something degrees probably, right?
I don't know, it feels like summer to me.
Feels like summer. We're working up a sweat. We are getting some vitamin D, and it feels good. Connecting with the earth, getting some sun. Been feeling a little tired lately, and I think we just needed to get out and do this. It's hard work, but it's worth it, because especially for ceremony spaces, you it's the energy that you put into it. So we could have easily just paid somebody to bulldoze this, and it would have taken them less than an hour. But we're out here putting some good prayers into the land and the plants that are sacrificing themselves for all the prayers that will go for all the ceremonies to come. So Bella's just being Bella.
She just likes the sticks. Here you go. She has to be working.
Busy, 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 that one. Non-stop. So yeah, this is the progress right here. And this is a cool little spot right here. This is one of the few oak trees that we have on our side of the property. There's lots of little ones.
Yeah, we've been seeing little ones that we want to take care of. With so much love before the dogs poop on it or pee.
Bill's just happy chasing something all day. All day. So yeah, probably put a bench over here in the shade. Little by little. So we keep you updated on the progress. It's the sounds of nature. Okay, stay tuned.